I had two touches with real estate today. So early in the morning, I met with clients that are buying property, and they're buying from a trust. So a trust is the owner of the property. Ties in nicely with the work that I do, right? I do a lot of estate planning, trusts, elder law planning, things of that nature. And actually, the reason this particular buyer came to me is because a few years ago, the mother of the purchaser, so my purchaser is a couple, and the mother of one of the persons in the couple, right? She can't be oh well, I said it was a couple, not a brother and sister. So the mother came to one of my in-person seminars a few years ago and got to know me and became a client. So I like servicing generations, right? Servicing the parents for one need, serving the younger children for another need, but within the scope of what I do. And then I actually went to a real estate closing today. Mask on, fully masked in the room, not a lot of ventilation. We really, Omicron is a real pain in the keister, and appropriately we all have to wear masks and make sure that we're safe. But the interesting thing about this particular closing is that after my client signed, she was the purchaser. After she signed, we needed bank approval, and the bank just took so long. And, I like closing in person better than the remote closings. The remote closings had never existed before the pandemic, and we started doing them. But in essence, it really became like two closings, where we're doing the closing and adjustments and the pre-signing the day before if you're one person, one side, seller, buyer, and then forwarding them to the other side and really being involved again for a second time. So I love the in-person closings because it's one shot. I like the collegiality. Typically, it's a good event. People are happy. Oftentimes the seller is happy because they're moving to a new location or out of state or retiring or downsizing, and that was the case here. Retiree was moving to a different home, and my client was buying, so really it was a happy event. But then we're in a room stuck waiting for the bank to approve. But all's well that ends well, and so the good time was had by all. If you need to speak with me about real estate or trusts or elder law planning or estate planning, please take a look at my website, frankbrunolaw.com. Didn't shut off.